In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns using the Wix editor. Whether you're creating a sleek website or designing a stunning portfolio, adding columns to your page can greatly enhance its visual appeal and organization. So, let's get started. First, we'll dive into the Wix editor. Once you're there, you'll notice an abundance of options readily available to help you make your website exactly how you envision it. But today, our focus is on a particular set of tools that allow us to modify the structure of our pages, specifically, the elements necessary to add and adjust columns. To begin, direct your attention to the left side of the editor where you'll find the Add Elements button. A simple click here will open up a menu full of creative possibilities for your website. From this menu, look for the option labeled Strip. This function allows you to add ready-made sections that you can customize to your liking. Once you've located the strip option, the next step is to choose the strip that best complements your design vision. Wix offers a variety of strip designs, each one visually distinct to provide you with numerous options to align with your content strategy and aesthetic preferences. Feel free to explore them. Once you've made your choice, just click on it to add it to your page. Now that your strip is added, it's time to modify its shape and reach. Locate and click on the Stretch option. Stretching the strip to fit the entire width of the page is key for our next steps. Once stretched, your strip will beautifully extend across your page, creating the perfect base for your columns. With your strip suitably stretched, it's time to focus on its layout. Click on the Layout button. Here's where the magic of adding columns truly begins. You'll see an option to Add Column. Selecting this will allow you to segment your strip into multiple sections. This is an essential step for organizing your content fluidly, giving each section its own distinct role or purpose. Experiment with the number of columns to see what best serves your content layout and visual design. And that's it. You've successfully added columns to your Wix website using one of the most user-friendly elements in the editor. This structural enhancement not only sharpens your site's presentation, but also supports a more engaging and navigable user experience. Play around with different strip types, column layouts, and customize them further to match your website's theme and objectives. By doing so, you'll ensure that your site is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, leaving a lasting impression on your audience.